How to run multiple Roblox accounts at once. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's a simple and safe guide on how you can run multiple Roblox accounts at once on your PC. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead and set multi-instance with multiple windows. So log into your first account on your browser and then open Roblox Player and launch a game. Try opening a new incognito window. From here, go to roblox.com and here log into your account and launch another game. But Roblox only allows one player per Windows user account. So in order to use multiple user account, you need to go ahead and create Windows user accounts. For that, go to settings and then tap on accounts, go to email and accounts, and then tap on add an account in the top, and you will be able to add a new account or user in your PC. So that's all there is to it. And also don't forget to avoid using the cheating tools such as using exploits which can get your account banned, and stick to account manager or multi-browser setups for safety. Roblox officially allows multiple accounts if not used to exploit games. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.